Hi guys, it's Danielle. I'm back. Yay! And today's October the 22nd, 2014. Today is National Bully Prevention Month, and today we wear orange to show that today is National Bully Month. And there's this website that says every October, schools and organizations across the country join Stomp Out Bullying. In Azobi National Bully Prevention Month, the goal encourage communities to work together to stop bullying and cyberbullying by increasing awareness of the prevent and impact of bullying on all children of all ages. And then on the 27th would be students can participate through social media or by printing cards available on partners RFK Project Seatbelt website at www.projectseatbelt.org to hand out while trick-or-treating on Halloween. The cards urge community members to sign an online bully prevention pledge to create environments of respect at home, at school, and the community. Pledge to prevent. October is Bully Prevention Month, so join our partners at the RFK Foundation and say boo to bully and bring some ball fun to your school in this session. Parents and educators may respect the norm at school and at home and throughout the community by encouraging students to participate in trick or treat for bullying prevention. It takes an entire community to prevent bullying, and by participating, students can take an active role in making that happen. Registration is easy, and all necessary materials are provided at www.projectseatbelt.org. Students mention prevention and win a bully prevention event for your community. Engage your community in 4 simple steps. 1. Find your school district code. Register your participation. Make sure you're registered under the school district code. Download and print the pledge cards, as many as you need. Be sure to fill in your school district code, and don't forget that you can also distribute pledge cards electronically through social media sites. Ready for to go? Ready? You ready to go? Start the conversation about bullying prevention by asking people in your community to pledge their support by following the instructions on the pledge cards. Robert F. Kennedy once said, "Every generation helps make their own future. Don't you do your part and help us change the culture of bullying, just as we have, just as we change how we roll seatbelts in a car." So and like and I well, I've been bullied through high school, and it really hurts. And like I would love to prevent the bully. Like I wanted, like thank goodness it stopped. Now I'm in college, and I'm proud to say that I'm bully free. Thank you so much. Thank you for my friends for being there for me. I love you guys. A heart to them. And we have a National Bully Prevention Month, and so and I will also be saying the trick. I will also be going over the stuff you need, and also I'm also gonna go over the trick or treating rules and stuff like that, so you can be safe. And well, see you guys later. Bye.